In front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Passwords. Then select Passwords under Ways to Unlock. Pick one of those login methods by tapping on the best one and create it. Then repeat it to confirm it and hit Done at the bottom. Last but not least, decide what you wish to do with lock screen notifications by tapping on one of those options. Then save your choice by hitting Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!